Hi, I'm Bintang. I'm from F class English Language Education. Today, I would like to read a monologue entitled The Seagull by Anton Checkov. But before that, I would like to read the narration first. The Seagull by Anton Checkov. Nina is an actress. She has returned after a few years to the home of her ex-boyfriend, Kostya, a writer. She tells him how she spent the years away from him. Why do you say you kiss the ground I walk on? I ought to be killed. I'm so tired, Kostya. If I could only rest. I'm the seagull. No, that's not. I'm an actress. It doesn't matter. So he's here too. It doesn't matter. He didn't believe the theater. He loved my dreams. And little by little, I stopped believing myself. I lost hurt. And lost the strains of love, jealousy, constant fear for the child. I became trivial and commonplace. I act without thinking or feeling. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I couldn't move properly or control my voice. You cannot imagine what it's like to know you're acting badly. I am a seagull. Do you remember the seagull you shot? You left it at my feet. He came to me and said, I had an idea, a subject for a short story. A girl like yourself lives all her life on the slopes of a lake. She loves the lake like a seagull. But a man comes along by chance and, because he has nothing better to do, destroys her. What was I talking about before? Yes, about acting. I'm not like that anymore. I'm the real actress now. I act with delight, with rapture. I feel drunk when I'm on stage and think that I'm wonderful. Ever since I got here, I've been walking around and thinking and even believing that my soul grows stronger every day. Now I see at last, Kostya, that in our kind of work, whether we are writers or actors, the important thing is not fame or glory, not what I used to dream about, but learning how to endure. I must bear my cross and have faith. If I have faith, it doesn't hurt so much. And when I think about my calling, I'm not afraid of life. When you see him, don't tell him anything. I do love him. Yes, I love him more than ever. By chance, a subject for a short story. How sweet it used to be, Kostya. Remember? How bright and warm, how joyous and pure our lips were. And the feelings we had for each other were like fine, delicate flowers. Do you remember? Alright, I think that's all about the monologue reading. I hope you enjoy the monologue. Thank you for watching. See you on another video. Goodbye.